Hello guys, in this video we're gonna have a look at these. They are all about JavaScript, splice, delete, slice, substring, push, pop, shift, unshift, indexOf, join, split, replace, and concat. Some of them are methods for strings, some of them are methods for arrays, and some are both. So first let's look at splice. If I delete the first one, actually the second one, the burgers, this is missing actually. They are undefined. So if you delete one of the elements using this, it's not removed, it's undefined. That's not what you want usually. You want them to go away and the rest of the item shifted to fill the space. So if we use splice to do it, and just to make sure, so here it became so here it's R. So splice is a good way of removing elements from an array, because it does not leave the placeholder with the value undefined. It actually removes it from the array. Just another example. So the first parameter is burgers. Second one is how many elements, consecutive elements to delete. So if I did 2, this will become, have a look. Yep. Lastly, you can use third parameter or beyond to include elements inserted into the space. So for example, case, just a second. Okay, so it's added to before burgers. So I have to do 0, 1, 2 now, because burgers and chips are great. So the first parameter is R. Second, whether you want to delete R and consecutive elements, you set to 0, and chips are placed between burgers, and R. So that's that. Slice methods are used for both arrays and strings. I'll use it for array first. Zero, 1, 2, 3. So what happens is the first parameter is the element to begin with. The second parameter is up to that element, but not including. So R for the first element, great for the second element, but not including this, excluding. So just before. So it gives you R. If you want to do it with the string, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So hopefully it will work. Yep, so it's working. So same with arrays, but this time it's with strings rather than arrays. The 7 is 0, 1, 2, 3. So remember the first one is 0, index 0. So that's different from array. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it begins with that. That's the first parameter. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to the index 14, but not including. So just before 14. So that gives you burgers. If you do 13, burger. So it works. So we have done slice. Substring is a method for strings only. It's I'll show you. Okay, so I'll demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should give you macros. What? What is it doing? Yeah, macros. How it works? The first parameter is the index to begin with, which is 0, and 6 characters after that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how it works. If you do 5, it should give you mecha. So you want mechas. I'll give you one more example. Banana milk is tasty. So I'm on this target. I want milk. So using substring. So milk is which index is it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and milk is 4 letters long. So it should give you milk, and it does. So we've done substring now. Push, pop, shift, and unshift are methods exclusively for arrays. So let's do it. Banana milk is fun. Let's do pop. What pop does, it get rid of the last element. Analogously, what shift does, it get rid of the first element. So we will do both. So X pop should give you banana milk is. It will get rid of the element fun, and it does. Now I'm gonna use shift. I'm gonna use push to return it to the original form. What push does, it adds an element at the end. So to return it to the original array, I need to push fun. It should give you the original, and it does. So that's pop. As I said, shift is analogous, but it deals with the first element, while the push and pop has to do with the last element. The shift actually gets rid of banana in this case. Have a look. Banana is gone. Now I'm gonna unshift it to return to the original form. Oops. X unshift banana. It should give you the original. Just here. Oops. Yep. Gives you the original. Banana is put back into the front. So that's that. Now the indexOf. I think the indexOf is to do with string. So let me just get a string. Banana milk is a milk, is a type of milk. Let's do that. Let me just try this. indexOf banana. And will it work? Yeah, it does. So the indexOf gives you the first occurrence. Oops, it's better to do milk here, because I want to test the first occurrence is here, second occurrence is here. So 7. The first occurrence is 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But if you gives it a second parameter, 26. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now it's reporting the second occurrence because I put the second parameter here. So lastly, it was 26, right? You can actually tell it to look for the last index of. This should give you 26. Let me just check. Get rid of it. 26. So that's good. Join and split are like converting a string to an array using split, or join them to return it to a string form. So it goes from string to array and array to string. So example, if I join x, oops, sorry, split, will it work? Yes, it doesn't. You need to specify the delimiter. Now this is an array with 7 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can convert it back to a string by using join. So I want to join it with maybe delimiter of plus. Now this is a string, it's not an array anymore. I'll confirm that it's a string. So that's handy. I think the replace is also methods for a string. So replace milk with soy milk maybe. Oops, type. Just a second. Maybe this rule. Yep. So soy milk, but there's milk is a it happens twice, and also it's case sensitive. If I did something like this, it will not work. So if I do I, which is an insensitive switch, now it does. Also if I do G, it will also change the other one as well. It's global. So I've done replaced. Lastly, concat. Concat works on both arrays and strings. I'll just do it like this. Y equals deliciously refreshing. Okay. So x concat y. Oops. This. So it gives you the new string that's concatenated x and y in order, right? If I do other way around, through it, then it's like this now. So that's concat used for strings. Now lastly, I will do concat for an array. Did I just do one for array? Yes, I think so. Okay, so string, I'll say string equals x concat y z. Oh, did I do array or string? Does this work? Hopefully it works. Yep, it works. So that's what to put in between concatenated strings. So in between. So first one. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Concat. Yep, concat. I guess you can only do one at a time, I guess. So yeah, I guess you can only do one at a time. So let's try that. Now it works. Let me just erase concat. Concat here. Yeah, I guess there's no delimiter, so let me just macas apple pie and chips are nice and delicious. Now I'm gonna use concat on them. So array x concat y and z. Should work. So macas apple pie and chips are nice and delicious. So it gives you a new array using concat. Merge 3 arrays in succession. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.